today I'm going to do some reviews on some products that I've received by mail or that I have actually purchased on my own at a department store or a drugstore. And Teddy is here to give us a little hand. Say hi, Teddy! He's such a sweet baby. So the first two items that we have here is a Glow Glam Power Ranger mask, and the other one is a Kate Sommerville exfoliate. So this is the Kate Sommerville, and this is an exfoliator, and this one is a mask by Glow Glam. I like both of these products, but I really love this particular product here because this leaves my skin feeling moisturized and very fresh. This one has a tendency to leave me feeling a little bit dry, and I have to use a little more moisturizer than normal. So I definitely love the Kate Sommerville exfoliate versus the Glam Glow. Most Glam Glow products I really do like, but this particular one leaves my skin feeling very dry. So with these two actual items that I have here, both were purchased at Sephora store, or you can purchase them online. The other thing is I would definitely recommend the Kate Sommerville over this particular product, the Glow Glam mask. My next two products that I have is a Benefit, and this is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil that I have here. For some reason, I cannot achieve the eyebrow effect that I'm looking for on this particular pencil. It doesn't matter if I hold it at the very end or the very back. Just cannot do it. So I use this particular brush. I have no idea where I received this or where I purchased it. I've had it so long that even the paint is like chipping off of it and things. It is an angled, as you can tell, angled brush here. It is kind of, I guess, it has more of a thickness to it. But my go-to is Too Faced. This is the Brow Envy. I love this actual product. As you can tell, I don't use these little tools that it comes with. It also has a little drawer down below that has a few items here that you can use. It's a little, it comes with its own little pencil. I don't even think I've maybe used it once or twice. And then you have some stencils that you can use if you don't know how to get the brow that you want. You can get the outline of it and then fill it in. So for these two particular items, which are both great items, but for me, it's going to be the Too Faced. Both of these items were purchased at a Sephora store. You also can purchase them online. My next item is pretty much two of the same. I have is this one dries up pretty well, but it turns into more of a powdery fill, and it starts to flake off and things that starts to fall down into your face. Even if I use a primer, which my go-to primer, Too Faced. I love this Shadow Insurance. It definitely does the job. So I would definitely recommend the Dior. I know it is a little bit more pricier. I did get this at Lord & Taylor, but you can get this item at a Sephora. This comes from the NYX store. So I will show you when you put it on. It has a very, it's pearly. It has a pearly kind of look to it. And I will show you the Dior. This one has more of a brush. And it's kind of hard to see. It kind of looks similar, but it's not. The Dior is much more smoother, and it dries, and it looks like a liquid form, but it's dry. Mirror effect here. I also got, it's a gold. This is the closest they had to what Dior has here. So this is more of a little bit of a pinkish color, but it's pretty much the same scenario. You know, if you can afford it, you can purchase this at Lord & Taylor or at Sephora, but it's pretty much the same thing. There's the gold, and I will show you this one here. It comes out more like a mauve, but it's pretty. But these are the colors here. That's the gold and the pinkish color NYX. Then I would definitely go with the NYX. They're still great products. I like NYX. I love their lashes. That's the only lashes that I use. So definitely give it a try and test it out. The next item that I use quite a bit is, it's an MUA professional brush. It's a 313 here, and it's got the little tilt to it to do the wing eye or cat eye. But I use the Inglot, and I really like this. I've had it for quite a long time, until I've used it quite a bit. It doesn't dry out on me, although it does have a solution that you can drop into it to help with it drying out and things. So this is my go-to for when I want to do a cat eye, or if I want to put a small little wing. So this is what I go to. I have tried, this is the Victoria's Secrets. I also have the Stella. I really like the Victoria's tip because it's super, super fine, where Stella is not as fine as this one. As you can tell, it's like really, really, really thin. The only issue with this one is the tip dries out very quickly, and you're not able, sometimes it skips, and then if you press a little harder, it messes it up, and you got to keep playing around with it to try to make it, you know, look the way you want it to look. So my definite go-to is Inglot with the brush 313 MUA. So you can give that a try. My next item is for blush, and it does have a little bit of contouring to it, or it does have contouring, but I use it for contouring and blushing, but I kind of switch it up a little bit. This is Ish and Nars, and this is the Super Orgasm. So I will show you. This one has a little bit, as you can tell, more of a sparkle. I do have the regular Orgasm, and it's not as much as a sparkle. The Ish I really truly like, as you can tell. I don't really use this one or this one. I really use this one for just contouring here, and then a little bit on the apple of the cheeks. I use the pink, but this is my definite go-to for my blush or a little bit of my powder contouring. So for these two particular items, this one, the Nars, can be purchased at Sephora, and Ish can be purchased on their website. My next item is something that has been discontinued by Makeup Forever. It is the Pro Sculpting Dew, and I absolutely love this product. The only thing is, it's discontinued. Very disappointing in that. So, as you can tell, I've used it quite a bit, and I'm going to be very disappointed when I can't find something else similar. So, I went out and I bought two other items that I wanted to see if they were similar to it, if they worked out. And these were the two that I came up with. This is the Too Faced Candlelight Glow, and one is a warm glow and one is a rosy glow. I've tried both of these out, and I'm not is impressed. No, these are cute. I love the packaging, and I like how they put, like, I think it's like a little chandelier kind of impression inside on the makeup, which is really cute. I've tried both of these, and I use them just for everyday makeup from just around the house, just to put, you know, on here and things. I can't say that I'm completely happy with them as much as I was with the Makeup Forever, but I'm gonna have to search around and test some other products out to see which ones I like. And all three of these were purchased from Sephora. I would definitely recommend these if I had to, since this is discontinued. Translucent powder, loose powder. So we have a Clinique, and we also have a Laura Mercier. So I have been using the Clinique one for quite a long time, and someone told me about this one and I fell in love. And so now this is the only one that I basically use. This one I don't really use, even though I should use it up first before I start with another one. So this is my go-to. This is my second go-to. So this one I got at Macy's, and Laura Mercier, of course, I got from Sephora. So my last item is these two particular. One is a drugstore cosmetic, which is Maybelline, and it is a Vivid Matte Liquid, and this is NYX Liquid. So these are the two. As you can tell, I love pink. These particular two items are very similar and very close in range in price. This one I got at Walgreens, and this one, of course, from NYX. So I will show you, take some of this off here. This is the NYX. This is the type of brush it is. And it's a very pretty, it's pretty. I love pink. But this is the color here. And this is the Vivid Matte. They're both matte, actually. And the brush is both actually the same. So one is a little bit more, I would say, the NYX has a little bit more purple in it, where the Maybelline has more of a reddish in it. But they're very beautiful colors, and I recommend actually both of these items. They're both, as I said, reasonable in price. So hopefully you will go out and give some of these items a try if you haven't already tried them out. And if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below, and I will answer the comment. Well guys, this is the end of our video, and I hope these reviews were very helpful to you and that you gained something from it. Okay, bye! I just wanna dance.